Hi, I'm Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Tallahassee, Florida, USA. I have a blog spot at RobbieSusansCardsandCrafts.com. Today I want to show you some beautiful cards that you could make from our pack of Hydrangea Hill designer paper. This is a gorgeous pack of paper. And the cards I'm making today actually only use these 4 sheets. This one, and this one, and this gorgeous one with the borders. So let me give you a closer look at the cards. Let's take a look at this one here in the middle first. All right, this card I made with this piece of the DSP and our gorgeous grape cardstock. Now here's a little bit closer look at the card. So I started with 8.5 by 5.5, and I cut a white piece that's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and you can emboss it with any embossing folder that you have, just your favorite. And that goes down next. And then this piece is the designer paper, and it is 4 by 5 1/4. And you just find the middle of this piece and just kind of do a little bend right there. And take your scissors and cut in about 2 inches and fold these corners back. And when you do, you will get this effect. So you get to see the other side of this gorgeous paper. And glue that down, and then I cut the hydrangea pieces here from the hydrangea die set. And what's so cool about this piece, you can pull these little petals up and make this card more dimensional looking. I don't know if you can see the petals sticking up there, but it really adds a neat look. So this piece goes down on the green base, and then you match up your veins. And I cut this leaf right here off and stuck it right up under there. Of course, I cut the stem off too, so I could pull it right up under the flower. So you glue those pieces down, and of course I put this on with dimensionals. And on the inside I have a piece that's cut with the curvy dies. That would be this piece. And that's all there is to this card. You could stamp your favorite saying inside, whatever you wanted. And then here's the second card. Now this base piece is Highland Heather, and it's cut at 5 1/2 by 6 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And on the front here I cut this piece from the ornate layer dies, and this is gorgeous grape. So you put it on your Highland Heather flap right here, and I let mine hang over a little bit just so it would come out some. And then this gorgeous designer paper goes right on top with your bow around the bottom. And then I cut a circle from the gorgeous grape, and the back side of this nice paper has all these wonderful little bouquets of flower. So you just pick the one that you like, glue it in the center, put it down on the front of your card, and then inside I have a circle so you can write your sentiment. So that's card number 2, and you can get, like this next one I'm going to show you, this one, you could get 12 cards out of this design out of one pack. So this one I think is my favorite. This one has a little belly band on it that's made from the detail bands, and it looks like this because it has 2 pieces. This one and the one in the back. You see it goes around the back here. And when you slip it off, it opens up to this gorgeous inside. And this is just the paper. So this is the way the paper's cut. So you just cut your piece 8 1/2 by 5 1/4, and you score it 2 1/8 on each end. Fold it in. You'll glue this pretty designer paper on the inside. And on the outside are 2 pieces right here. Now when you cut them from your big piece, you need to make sure that you cut them side by side, or they might not match up and look a little strange. But these are 2 inches by 5 1/4, and you just want to adhere them to each side of the front of your card. and put your little belly band on, and you have a little oval here that you can stamp your cinnamon on. Now all of my sets, when I do make at home kits, I always send the envelopes. You always get your envelopes with it. And I also have instruction sheets for each one. So here's the instruction sheet for that collar fold one, and the half fold one, and then the last one we just did, the gatefold one. So I hope you enjoyed looking at my cards I made from this pack of paper, and if you would like to order this paper, you can go to my store at robbiesusan.stampinup.net and place your order. So thank you for taking your time to watch my video today.